Maui. Oh Lord. So today we're gonna do a oil change on the Can Am. Already has the 300 hours. I'm gonna change it. Yesterday we went to go ride, but we rode for a little bit only. I messed up the shifter, the little plastic inside. I already ordered a new one, an aluminum one. It was like 25 bucks on Amazon. I gotta install that. Also my friend, with the 5.7, he broke the belt, so we couldn't really ride much. I didn't get too much footage, but today I'm gonna do the oil change. I got the kit online, I'll show you guys now. And yeah, so here we have the kit. This is the one I usually buy. It comes with the oil and the filter for the bike. Pretty good because it comes all in one. The little gasket, the actual filter, and it comes with all this oil. Let me see, it's like 2.5 quarts. 2 quarts and 16 ounces. It's more than enough for my Outlander. But yeah, it's pretty simple. So what you need is a 17-inch socket with a long extension to be able to take out the one in the bottom. So I did take it out. Oh, it didn't look too bad. It was dark, but not too bad. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out this panel so it'll make it easier to take out the oil filter. But yeah, you can probably take it out there without taking it off, but I have the floorboard, so it's different for if you have a stock floorboard. But I'm just gonna take it out, make my life easier. So I took out the panel, but I didn't really have to take it off to take out the oil filter, but I didn't want to show you the shifter. You see it right there, that little plastic piece got messed up. I had to zip tie it to keep riding that day. But I got a new aluminum one, so it's coming soon. Here's the filter. Let's see. Yeah, it was pretty bad, but whatever, we'll change it. Maybe you can see the new one. Let's see the difference. A ver. Chilling, brand new. So I got the new filter in. Boom. I'm gonna put the new gasket on that, and get a washer on that, fill it up with oil y dale. That's it. We good. And tomorrow I get my piece for there, so then I'll be ready to ride. So we finished the oil change and we're done. Cookie, go in the water. Go in the water. Look at it. Finito. Oh, look at the other part. That's here. See? BRP, boy.